How to fix Instagram Live option not showing problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Instagram on your device. Now, in order to go live on Instagram, you should check the follower count in your privacy first. So, make sure that your account is public and not private, and also check if you have 1,000 or more followers, as Instagram only allows users to go live if you have 1,000 plus followers. And if the issue is still not fixed, then go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the app further. Sometimes features are hidden because of version mismatches. And if your issue is still not fixed, then launch the Settings application on your device and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, navigate to Instagram and tap on it, and then tap on the Offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again and see if your issue is fixed or not. If not, then you can try to log in with another account that should have 1,000 plus followers, and the account has to be public. So if you open some other account with 1,000 plus followers, then you should be able to view the live option. And if none of these fixes your issue, then you can wait for some time, as sometimes the Instagram server might be down. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Instagram Live option not showing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.